Nice job by Klay Thompson as Harden couldn't get it to fall. Iguodala back to Curry, another three. Ezeli. Timeout Rockets. Curry has 6 rebounds already. Green, left-handed, can't get it to fall. And Ezeli on the follow. A 14-2 run. Curry finds Green. Alley-oop to Ezeli. How about Festus Ezeli off the bench with 6 points and 3 rebounds. Livingston couldn't finish, but Ezeli does. Festus Ezeli with 10 terrific minutes off the bench.
The front of the rim, behind the three-point line, or at the foul line.
Beautiful pass on the lob. Ezeli with his first field goal.
Wide open. Weak side defenders had no idea where the ball was.
And that's where everybody runs to the corner for for threes. Beverly could have, as Ezeli, nice jump hook, could have got that.
Guard, so many different players. You're talking about a guy being able to slide his feet and get a block shot.
Festus Ezeli getting into the box score.
Here's ball.
Green goes right by Harkless. Up top for Festus. Harrison Barnes ready to check in, as is Damian Lillard. Shot clock down to 3. Iguodala gives it to Ezeli. He's right there again. More points in the paint, and Festus Ezeli keeping himself ready, even though he hasn't played much. Free throw here tonight. Curry with some ball handling magic finds Ezeli. Oh, and a reverse throwdown from Festus Ezeli. Set up beautifully by Curry.
He's done a nice job of mid-range and being a threat on the offensive end.
Warriors by 2. Thompson finds Ezeli, gets his own, and Ezeli scores. Little jump hook in the lane. Iguodala up top for Ezeli.
Great recognition by Iguodala. One step by Ed Davis to come over and help. Ball in air, in flight for Festus to dunk it. They had a mix-up and he was wide open, and he missed that one.
Little ball fake by Curry, gets Ezeli open. And the Warriors have the lead. Coming back, going up top. Wow, that was way up there. Great catch by Aminu. Plumlee. And it's blocked. Festus Ezeli. Another block shot. Blazers 13 points off the break. Here's Ezeli on a pass by Green. Score it. And a foul. Chance at 3 for Festus Ezeli.
And then played very well against San Antonio the last 3 games. Ezeli! And that was a mix-up in terms of defensive assignment. Curry met by the double. Gets it inside. Ezeli cranks it home.
Really took a while to gather that pass.
Three-point attempt by Thompson. Oh, it's put down by Ezeli. Festus Ezeli had position and was able to take advantage of 45-41 lead for the Warriors. Kept alive by Iguodala. Here is Green, able to maintain possession, finds Ezeli, he scores.
And if you're Robinson, you've got to foul Festus Ezeli and send him to the free throw line.
Ezeli with a jump hook over Adams.
Great minutes off the bench.
Anderson Varejao getting set to come in. Ezeli wide open off the lead from Thompson. So this onslaught continues, a 15-2 run by the Thunder. Nice players. Festus Ezeli comes up with his first bucket. Ezeli making the catch between 2 Oklahoma City players and putting it down.
45 points.
Ezeli with a jump hook over Adams.
Wide open short corner 3.
Iguodala's 48% from three-point range in the playoffs. Ezeli able to get to the rim. Adams on the switch, defending on Curry. Oh, man. Oh, Adams got a piece of it. Ezeli is able to field it. So Festus Ezeli has made his presence felt.
Trusting his teammate off of the pick and roll, getting it to the big fella so he can go to work.
Here's the lob, and Ezeli puts it down. Beautiful timing on the pass from Curry.
But I like the strategy as
Beautiful pass again from Iguodala.
and that's where they're hardest to guard in transition. And Richard Jefferson, the initial matchup for Sean Livingston.
Curry shot short. Followed by Ezeli. So the Bigs off to an excellent start for Golden State. One of the key players in game one is in there. Barnes catches. Nice feed to Ezeli. Festus Ezeli, the latest bench member, to come off for Steve Kerr and have an impact. Clay drives on Tristan. Pull-up shot misses. Ezeli right there on the follow. Curry gets away from Love. Drives down. Scoop layup misses. But Ezeli right there for the follow. 15-point game. Just under 5.5 remaining here in the third.